here's an example of working with composition of functions where your function is a rational function. So basically what you have to do here is f of x, or basically plug f into itself. So what we're going to do is we are going to just take our expression 3x minus 5 over x plus 2. And everywhere we see an x, we're just going to leave a blank because that's where we're going to be substituting f of x. So let's take a different color. And everywhere you had an x, you're going to put f of x. So f of x was 3x minus 5 over x plus 2. And of course, we don't want to leave it that way. We want to consolidate the fractions a little bit. So what we're going to do is just tidy it up on the top and see if we can get a single fraction. So on the top, I end up with 9x minus 15 over x plus 2. Remember that the 3 is over 1, so you're only multiplying the numerator by 3. And then minus 5. But we want to get a common denominator with the x plus 2. So we're actually going to multiply 5 over 1 by x plus 2 over x plus 2, so that we end up with that common denominator on the top. And then on the bottom, we're going to do sort of the same thing. We are going to say that's all over 3x minus 5 over x plus 2 is not multiplied by anything, so it stays the same. But the plus 2 over 1, we're going to multiply top and bottom by x plus 2 over x plus 2, which gives us the common denominator. And now we can bring those fractions together. On the top, we have to expand a little bit first. So just make sure that you are multiplying that negative 5 through that top bracket in the second fraction. So 9x minus 15 minus 5x minus 10 over the common denominator of x plus 2. That's the numerator's fraction. And then on the bottom, we're going to have 3x minus 5, and you just want to take that 2 and multiply it through the bracket of the second numerator. So 2x plus 4, and that's all over x plus 2. Make sure you know where the top and the bottom fraction are and keep it organized. And then we're going to collect like terms in the numerator and the denominator. So we're going to have 4x minus 25 over x plus 2 divided by 5x minus 1 over x plus 2. And remember, we're dividing fractions, which means we can multiply by the reciprocal of the second function. So I'm going to rewrite this as a multiplication question, and things will cancel out nicely. 4x minus 25 over x plus 2 times x plus 2 comes to the top over 5x minus 1. These cancel out, so I'm just left with 4x minus 25 over 5x minus 1. And I'll leave it there because I have a single fraction